Okay, so good day everyone. So karon I'll be solving the task which is the inheritance. So the task requirements which is create the parent class, uh, class name which is person. Then inside of this parent class we have the attributes such as name, campus ID, and another methods that it has introduced or print basic info. So ang una na ko button din is I'll create a parent class which is pangalan niya is person, and inside sa parent class na person, we need to construct div underscore underscore init underscore underscore self, comma, name, and then the campus ID. Campus underscore ID. Then self dot name is equal to name and self dot campus ID is equal to campus ID. Now, pangkadua is we create a method to print the basic info. So div introduce, and then let's just print a simple basic info. So print uh, hello, hello, my name is self dot name ID is the campus ID, self dot campus ID. So muna na ang atong parent niya class. Next is the child class. So sa child class is first we need to use the student person. So we create another class and then the student, and then inside sa student we inherit the class na person. Next is construct div underscore underscore init, and then mag-add ta og ipangayo diri is extra attribute which is the program, comma, and program. Now we use super init para to add another attribute. So super underscore underscore init, and then babaan na is ang self dot program nga bagong attributes nato nga gibutang. Self dot program is equal to program. Self dot program is equal to program. So muna na ang unang child class na to which is student. Next is ang beside pa Diana napay gipangayo nga another method which is the enroll subject, and then the print name niya and enroll in subject. So create tag enroll daw nga function enroll self, and then the subject, then print na punta another print open parenthesis, and then the self name student self name is it has enrolled in subject. So muna ang first child class na to which is student. Next is the faculty. So create na po another nga child class which is faculty, and then we inherit the behavior of person, or our parent class which is the person, and then create the constructor div underscore underscore init underscore underscore self name dot campus ID, then another attribute, extra attribute which is the department. So underscore department, and then ubos sa department, since mag-add man tag another attribute, we use super init dot init dot campus ID, and baba is self dot department is equal to department. So muna na siya, and then another methods which is the teach and subject. So the teach, and then the subject. Self, comma, subject. And then print na lang tao basic info, print underscore, then proof. Faculty na lang, let's just say faculty, and self that name has teach it, is teaching. So we need to use apply is a relationship properly. So is a is a is a teaching subject. So mano na ang pangkaduwa nga child class. Last child class is ang staff. Staff. So inside sa staff, person, then construct, div underscore init lang yapon ta. Self name, campus ID, and then another attribute or extra attribute ibutang which is ang office. Then we use super init campus ID self dot office is equal to office. And ubos na po na we need mag-create na po daw ta og another nga function which is gitawag na to nga gitawag nga process request. So div process underscore request. Inside sa request we have request type request underscore type, then print another basic info na naman, print basic info my name, self dot name as request. Yan, as requested. Pero last kuan siya. Since the process man ta, so last process request type. Then request. Yan, so mo ni na-create na nato ang ato mga child class. Okay, now since na-create naman nato atong parent class in our child class, diri na sa mini challenge required. So, una need nato is create a list of mixed objects, the student, faculty, and staff, and loop them. And inside of it, we need to call introduce for all. Kumbaga, pag nato loop, introduce nato sila tanan. And last, call their specific method based on type. You may use insistent. So, una natong buhaton dire is we mix them. Let's just say tawagon nato sila tanan. So, ingno nato people is equal to, since tulo man siya, we use bracket. Then inside of the bracket, tawagon nato tong unang child class which is si student. So, student. So, panganlan na to si student. Ang gihandle ni student na siya name, campus ID, and program. So, first, butang tanyag name. Let's just say akong name. Marnie Bitanyo. Next is ang akong ID. Ano na to kuan? Akong ID. And then the program nga akong gi-enroll. B is information technology. So mao na ang child class which is nga student. Next is ang faculty nga child class. Faculty. So kinsa may faculty nato? Ino natog is Mr. Erwin. And iyang campus ID is imo na nang tao 1002-24323, kama, and then kang Mr. Faculty na siya ay department. So sa nga department, CEIT department. Then pangkatulo which is si staff. Then let's just say Mr. Pedro. And then ID niya is 200. Let's just say 220. And then ang nasa kang kuan staff nasay office. So asa sa nga office? Ano na nato siya og registrar. Registrar office. Okay. So i-try nato silang loop tanan. And pag human sa loop, i-introduce nato sila tanan gamit tong function sa parent nato nga class which is introduce. Tawagon nato sila for person in people katong mga gipang mix nato nga child class, and then magbutang ta og introduce. So person dot introduce sa ato ang parent nga class. Then after ana naay requirements nga call their specific method based on type. You may use is instance. So since magamit man tag is instance, i-call nato specific method based sa ilang type. Butang ta og if is instance. So una natong tawagon is ang child class nga student. Student. Yan, student. And ubusan na person dot enroll kung unsa to yang gi-enroll diri sa student kani nara unsa nga subject yang gi-enroll, ingno na lang nato og data structure. So mao na sa is instance sa usa ka student nga child class. Else if is instance katong sa faculty na pod, tawagon na po nato si person that teach kung unsa iyang teach diri sa iyang gihandulan nga subject. So ingno nato iyang subject is OOP. So mao na iyang is instance. Pangkatulo, last is katong is instance nga staff nga child class. Then ubusan na person dot unsa to na niya process request. Kana process request unsa yung i-request, let's just say ano na lang enrollment form. Na pag i-try nato na sila gran, kanina ang mulabas. So ang una natong gi loop which is kaning tulo, student, faculty, and then gipang introduce nato. So una, hello, my name is Marnie Bitanyo. So di ni siya gikan. Diri ana siya sa introduce nga sa atong parents nga class which is na-inherit nato sa usa ka child class. I mean na-inherit sa child class sa gikan sa parent nga class. Pangkaduha is kaning faculty. Hello, my name is Mr. Erwin. Since gibutangan man nato na atong name niya og ID, Mr. Erwin, faculty. Mr. Erwin is a teaching OOP. Diri na siya. Faculty. Self-name. Mr. Erwin is a teaching subject. Kung unsa to ang tong subject ang gibutang which is OOP ang nabutang. Same lang gyapon na siya sa pangkalas. Hello, my name is Mr. Pedro. Katong public attribute nato nga name, and then public attribute pud nato nga campus ID. And then sa iyang function nga depend siya kwan niya short introduction ko bali which is Mr. Pedro self.name nga attribute, itawag nato tong public attribute nga name, and then process a request type. So unsa to ang is-instant diri nga butang nga kung unsa tong instant nga gibutang nato diri sa sa kay staff nga child class which is enrollment form ang na-print diri, and then the request dayon final nga sentence. So mao na ang solution sa task 2 which is the inheritance.